Welcome guys, here I got my Samsung Galaxy S5. It's a G900a model, as you can see, and it's stuck in the boot loop. So I'm just going to do a flash right with my software right here. So let's go through the procedure to solve that problem. So you're going to want to download your firmware, which I got mine's right here. You gotta go for the latest update for it. Next, go into download mode, which you just remove the batteries, power button, down, volume down, and home key, right? There you go. Up. I just connect it. There we go. See right there, it started 2%. All right. I'm just gonna pause the video till it reach probably 90% or so. I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay guys, I'm back and we are 90%, as you can see. The reason why I'm speaking so low, it's actually 3 a.m. in the morning. It's finished right there. There we go. Installing system update. And there we go. We're gonna pause the video for it to just load up. There we go.